Welcome to Trauma Technologies and Cofex's Q&A session for the introductory RPA webinar that took place last Friday. In today's sessions, we will review the questions that we received. Some questions that came up were how to apply a temporary license, how to create a new robot, how to migrate a finished robot to the management console, how to use RPA to log into a website, how to format values in a spreadsheet, and finally, how to search information in multiple websites. Applying the temporary license is very easy. Pull up the management console and navigate to the admin tab in the upper right-hand part of the screen. Then click on the license option in the submenu. You will then enter in your name, email, company, and non-production license key. Please skip the production license key as this is a non-production environment. Click Save when finished. To create a new web automation robot, right-click on your project folder, choose New, and then Web Automation Robot. In the dialog box, you will enter in a new web robot name. Click Next, then you will enter in the URL to start. Click Finish when done. Moving a completed robot to the management console is another easy process. Right-click on the robot to move, click the Upload option, specify which project the robot needs to run in, and go to the management console to verify the robot is there. How to use RPA to log into a website. First, create a load page action that will load the website. Click on the username input box and enter in the text that contains the username. Then click on the password input box and enter in the text that stores the password. Formatting a spreadsheet value. Set the current window to open Excel. Right-click on the cell, set the content. Choose your content and format. An example would be selecting the correct numeric format that matches the content. Using multiple websites. First, create a load page action that will load the website. Then perform any actions that are required on that web page. You may add this step as many times as needed. You may download your free 90-day trial of Cofex RPA at cofex.com/products/RPA/. You're going to download a zip file, and you're going to start the installation using the setup.exe file. Cofex will email you any required trial license. If you need additional RPA tutorials, you may visit our website for additional resources. If you need free Cofex training, you can visit learn.cofex.com. Some use cases that you can perform in your 90-day free trial are competitive pricing and monitoring, employee onboarding, and any data migration. For more ideas, visit the website below. This brings our Q&A session to a close. Please watch out for our next RPA webinar on April 24th. We will be sending out an email invite with more details. If you have any other follow-up questions, please feel free to email support@traumatech.com.